Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing from Christopher Ward, and this time one of the watches I had on my buy list actually for a long time. But this time I'm not buying. I'm just getting it for a couple of weeks to review and then send it back to Christopher Ward. So thanks to them for lending it to me out. Also thanks to Max for the care package. Really cool stuff. So let's get down to it and show you which one I'm meant. So just if you're familiar with the Christopher Ward packaging, really nice wood with a little bit of, I think, I don't want to call it fake leather, but I think artificial leather is a better word for it. And then you have the cleaning cloth. Then we have the main attraction of today. It does put a smile on my face because this Bel Canto is exactly like I want it to be. If I wanted to buy one, I would get the green one or the CNC or the guilloché dial, just because I don't have anything guilloché, and I'm not a big fan of guilloché per se, but somehow on this watch it just goes really well. The chiming, complication with the guillochage, just really nice. So as you can see here, the Bel Canto Classic Verde. I have to wind it a little bit. In here. Really nice winding feel. Here we go. So let's get down to, I'm just really mesmerized by the dial, I have to say. Sorry about that. Really mesmerized about the dial. So we have 40, I would say 41 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is around 50, under 50, I think, like 49. And thickness, I would say like 14 at least. Yeah, 13.5 maybe. And 20 millimeters. Oh, actually 22 millimeters lug width. We have a grade 5 titanium case, accompanying buckle, I think in grade 2 titanium, because the bracelet is also in grade 2 titanium. So I would think they will do the same material of the bracelet also on this buckle. Maybe because of the hardness, it's better for the case to be harder and the bracelet, because the part that moving all the time, or the buckle to be a little bit softer. That might be the case. The case itself is 53 grams. I think on the strap it's with the buckle around 90. On the bracelet is 113 grams. You can get it on the bracelet. It's only 3 Atmos, so only 30 meters water resistant, so not non-swimmable. This has the Celita movement in the back. Basically, you won't be able to see it, but you see more than you need in the front. You do get a 30 hours power reserve with the Celita SW200. The innovation here is the FS01 module, basically adapted as an adapted module that they had the JJ01, which is a jump hour complication, and they were able to create the sonnerie au passage complication by adapting that. Still beating 4 hertz. They rated at plus minus 20 seconds, so not so bad. Has anti-reflective AR coated sapphire crystal, like you saw before, push-pull crown, hand winding possible, and you can hear the rotor, so it's an automatic as well. You have here at the 4 o'clock the on off pusher, as you can see. So that's the on, that's the off, that's the on, and if we move the hour, you get the chime. So that's the whole idea about a jump as a passage, sonnerie au passage complication, which a chime, hourly chime, basically. Pretty cool. Let's do it again. Nice. Yeah, so basically you can toggle this on off, so you don't have to annoy your partner or people sitting next to you the whole time. But it's pretty cool. It has a 3D hand finished bridges, springs and hammer, which you see on the dial directly. And other than that, you get the time at the 12 o'clock, as you can see on the bridge, which really looks really nice. And also, it's not only my opinion. Bel Canto won in the 2023 GPHG Petit Aiguille Award, so it was also recognized by watch experts, not only people like me who, let's say, have limited vision or knowledge compared to these guys. But yeah, at the same time, I really like the aesthetics of it. So let me wear it. I'm wearing today basically the only green watch I have, if it's green strap. But yeah, at least it's green. Best thing about the weekend is unboxing some new watches that are sent to me, testing them out. So basically the strap system is pretty self-explanatory. I think I'm at here. Yeah, I did. Perfect. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist for the people who are asking. So 6.7, 6.69 inches for our American viewers. Really nice finish on the case, as you can see, polished and brushed in different areas, giving it a really nice light effect on it. So it does hit the light differently from each side. And legibility is not the best for the time telling, but who cares? I can tell the time. It's 5:42, but I'm not wearing this watch to tell me the time. It will tell me the time when it rings. That's the whole idea of a chiming watch. So I really looking forward to testing this out for the next couple of weeks and letting you all know what I think about it. So yeah, let me know if you ever had a Chiming watch or a Bel Canto, or if you're planning to get a alarm watch maybe or something like that, a mechanical alarm watch. I did get one. I have it here somewhere. Yeah, the Polyot. So that's basically a totally different kind of interactivity with the watch, with a mechanical watch. So let me know in the comment section, and as always, this invitation to subscribe. You'll find the subscription button here and 2 videos on the right and left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.